Hi folks, are you telling me even after showing 13 different methods of making money online, free of cost, you are still struggling to make money online? I'm surprised. But don't worry, I have completely got your back. And in this video, I will show you yet another traffic method that you can use and get started on your journey to make money online in no time. So keep watching. Welcome back to another amazing value pack video of Money Spam. I'm your host Abhi and I'm going to show you another method of making money online. In this method, we will be promoting products which are not live in the market. Yes, I have discussed about this method in one of my previous video and we will be enhancing it and we will be promoting same products which are not live yet through a different medium because more the traffic sources, more your chances are that the product will convert. And since these products are not live yet, there is no competition for these products at all. So when these products will go live, your reviews, your ratings, your demos will be ranking first. And you obviously know what happens when an article or when a review or when a video starts ranking first. You get huge amount of traffic to it. As simple as that, folks. So without delay, let's go to my screen and let me show you step by step how things are going to work. So for people who are new to my channel, we promote affiliate marketing here in most of the videos. Now, what is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and you make a commission out of it. And these commissions are somewhere between 30% to as high as 80-85%, in some cases even 90%. Now the fun part is the seller is happy because his product is sold. You are happy because you got a commission out of it and you don't have to deal with customer care, shipping of product and all those bullshits like that. That is why affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. As simple as that. Period. Now, for this video, I will be promoting product from JVZoo. If you don't know, JVZoo is the most famous marketplace for digital products. There are other marketplaces as well. We promote products from Digi Store. I have tried ClickBank. I have tried Impact.com, CZ.com. There are city lots of them. Then there are CPA networks, which is a whole different story. I've explained all those in my previous videos, so I will not drill down into those details. So the website where the magic will happen is called Munchai. So let me just open Munchai and you see this is the Munchai. Munchai is the listing of almost all digital products that are going to get launched on some particular day. And if you will scroll through this website, it has listings going down as further as till December 31st. As simple as that. So till the end of this year, it has listing. Not only that, it has a listing for just launched, the products which has recently launched. And if you will notice, there are two separate categories for it. One is the big launches, which is in the blue, and the other one is the white launches or black launches in all launches. So big launches are launches where people have more money to put into their products. Very simple, right? Because let's say Elon Musk is going to launch a product. He's not going to launch as you, right? Suppose you created a product, you will be selling as a penny. But Elon Musk is going to sell a product. He is not going to start selling with pennies. He is going to launch on a very big platform. The difference is just like that. Big launches and all launches. So typically there is a higher chance that the product that is being launched on big launches are going to be very good product. The chances are higher, but it is not a guarantee. As simple as that. So even the products which are in all launches can surprise you with the return of investment. As simple as that. For beginners, it can be difficult to get approval for the products which are under big launches. That is the reason I advise people who are new to affiliate marketing to go and watch my first video where I explain why it is very important to portray yourself as an established player in the market space. In JVZoo, you need to get approved for each and every product. Each and every product that you are going to promote needs to be approved by the publisher. As simple as that. Now think, why would someone allow you to promote their own product? Of course, nobody in the starting at least wants to get associated with spam, right? Let's say I have my own website. I need people who will promote my website and I will give them commission out of it. But obviously, I won't want people to sully my name by spamming their link, right? So I will find people who are actually capable of promoting the link, even though I have to give them a minor extra commission. That's okay with me. I want the quality sales, right? So you need to present to them that you can sell the product. As simple as that. So don't put too much brain on it. If you get approved for big launches, it's great. If you don't get approved for big launches, you go and apply for all launches products, and that is okay too. Because what we are going to do is we are going to start reviewing the product, we are going to start doing demo of the product even before the product is launched. That is the trick here, folks. That is the magic trick. Just think, if you want to purchase a new product which you have never heard about, what you will do first? You will go and search for reviews, right? Another way would be you will go to Google and you will search for a demo of the product, which will eventually end up on YouTube. As simple as that. So in this particular video, we will be creating YouTube video for that particular product. Okay. Now you will say, hey, I don't know how to create a video. You will say, hey, I don't know how to use a recording software. I don't want to come on camera and so on and so forth. That's perfectly okay. I have got your back covered. You just need to stick till the end of this video and I will tell you baby steps. No technical knowledge required, no coding required, all drag and drop, as simple as that. I will give you tools for everything and all these tools will be free, as simple as that. Just stick till the end and listen to me very carefully. So to promote this product, we need to open one of the link. Let's say we want to promote this one. So you see this? This is the JV page. Now JV page has all the materials that you will ever need, except the demo. Sometimes there are even demos. So JVPS has all the materials, and sometimes JVPS also has the demo. They will have email swipes, they will have video demo, all these things you can use. These are for the JVs. JVs are joint venture partners, which is us, affiliates. We are the joint venture partners. That is what the JV page stands for. This is the magic. So you already have info about the product. You will have screenshots, you will have in-depth details of what these products do, what not, and so on and so forth. One of the easiest way to make a video would be just scroll through this page slowly, record it in your own voice. As simple as that. Just start speaking these things and record it in your own voice. Make a small video, just 3, 4, 5 minutes video. That's about it. You are not on camera, you are recording your screen and you are just scrolling through this page. Don't show that the URL there. As simple as that. That way you will have the in-depth guide and people don't even know what it is, right? So just think, people are desperate to know when the product will be launched. People are desperate to know about this product because obviously they are interested about this product. So whenever they will start searching for reviews or demo, in-depth review or details, they are going to end up on your video because your video was created first. As simple as that. There are different people doing in different languages as well. Let's say you can speak Spanish, French, Italian, or I don't know, some different language. That's perfectly okay. There are people in your language also interested about this product. So you can create video even in your own language and people can use it. Now you will say, hey, I don't want to do this. I don't want to purchase a recording software and so on and so forth. I will tell you a free recording software. Yeah, you see OBS Studio? This is completely free of cost. This one, you can record your screen, you can record your voice, and if you want, you can even go on camera. Cameras sometimes are really good so that the people can connect. Just think, if I would be speaking these things off the camera, would you really want to listen? But since you will be creating very small videos, it's perfectly okay to go off the screen as well. There is no problem in it because people are really desperate to know about the details. And this JV page has all the details. And in case it is a digital product, let's say some course or some software, you can ask these guys. At the end somewhere, these people will have, see, contact information. So you can contact them and you can say, I want to create an in-depth demo. Can you give me some access to your course? And they will give you free of course, because they want to sell their software and you are their partner, you are their affiliate partners, they have approved you. So they will give you, most of the time they will give you free access for some time so that you can create a video out of it. And this is the video that is going to make you money. In your videos, you have to remember to put a call to action. Always put a call to action. Now you will ask, what is a call to action? You see subscribe animations on top of my videos? That is the call to action. So if you have not liked or subscribed to my channel, please do that. Now the fun part, if you don't want to go live or if you don't want to record in your own voice, there is a way to do that also. Now let's see what you can do. So till now I have shown you where to find products which are not live yet, and I have shown you where the JV pages are. Now you need to grab your link, because without affiliate links you cannot make money. So to get the affiliate link, you click here, affiliate network. See, it is on JVZoo. So let me log in my JVZoo dashboard and let me show you how the grabbing of link looks like. So once you are approved for a product, you go on the top of this window and you click on approved products. That will bring you on this particular dashboard, and you will just click on get links, and this is your hop link. Now what do? Whenever you get your hop link, you always go to a website to shorten it, and a website where you can edit those sorted links, because those will become your asset, and in future you can convert them into landing pages or squeeze pages. I will tell all this in detail in future. So for now, just remember to always shorten it. And for shortening, I go to incisors.com and then shorten it. And that website is completely free. You can use it if you want to, or you can use a different URL shortener where they allow you to edit the URL. So I will grab my shortened link and we will continue further. So suppose my shortened link came as this. All right. Now this is where our magic will start, right? Now we need to promote this. So one way to promote this, as I already told you, will be by screen recording the JV page and using your own voice. Using your own voice makes things very simple. But if you think JV page doesn't have enough info, the other way to do things would be come to a website called invideo.com. Don't worry, all the links are in my description, and these websites completely work, and these are all free of cost. Let me show you, for example, a small ad I created on InVideo free of cost. So did you see? And it took me literally only 10 minutes to do this. As simple as that, folks. It is very easy to use this website. Yes, you will have a minor logo on the top. You will have this, but it is completely free to use. If you want to get rid of those, later on, when you start making money, you can purchase it and you can get rid of those. You don't have to worry about all that. And all your details are saved. So what you need to do is, you need to come to a website and get the details about a similar product. Like few days back, there was a product called Doodle Maker. Okay, so people had already written articles about Doodle Maker. So what I did is, for Doodle Maker, I went to a website where people had already written a review. Like this is one of the website. You see this? Someone had already written the review, and if you will notice very carefully, these things are just from the JV page. Now, what can you do? You can copy all this. Yes, all of them you can copy, and instead of looking it like an article, modify it and make it a content for a video. And not long. I'm telling you to make it in 20-30 lines. That's about it. So folks, what we are going to do is, we are going to come to content and click on text to video. Okay, and here you can specify multiple formats, but we are going to use white because we will be posting it in YouTube. You can also post it in IGTV if you want to, or you can post it on Facebook pages if you own one, or just create one for software reviews. And for example, we will use this, and we will use this template. And here you see, you put the headline and then you put the story. What will be your story? Your story will be the YouTube content that you wrote, that you rewrote from that article. Okay, so it will be 20 lines here, and on top you will put a heading. I'm not going to do that right now because it takes around 2 minutes for rendering and to produce the video. But I'm telling you, if you will put a headline, nice catchy headline, and if you put those 20 lines as your story, and when you will push next, it will give you the edit function, and it will look very similar to in this format. And you see, you can edit the text here, you can edit the text here, you can edit the image here, you can edit the video that is playing in the background, you can shorten it, widen it, smaller it, put a different animation, and all those things you can do, all free of cost. Not only that, all drag and drop, no coding required, no skills required, nothing. And at the end, you click on export and it will render your video. As simple as that, folks, and you will have your video ready in no time, and that also free of cost. And this video, you can upload it to YouTube, put the links in the description, and remember to put a call to action. As simple as that, and your video will go live. We all know how much traffic YouTube gets, right? So whenever this product is going to go live, what are people going to search? They are going to search for product name review, product name rating, product name demo. As simple as that. That is how people purchase. And you put a call to action in the description, people will click on your link, they will go to the product, they are already interested in the product, and they are going to make a purchase. Each purchase they are going to make, you are going to make money out of it. As simple as that. This is literally that easy, man. All you need to do is you need to take the effort and work hard. Don't stop at one. Do 2, 3, 4. Making money online is simple, man, but it is not easy. You need to be consistent and you need to be persistent. So work hard on it and you will start making money in no time. So that's all for this video, folks. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel so that I can be rated higher on YouTube, and I will see you guys in my next video.